Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified when new videos are released. This is the rail fence pinwheel. It's probably going to be the easiest block you'll ever make. You can use your jelly roll scraps or jelly roll packages, whatever you like. I think it would look great as a scrap quilt. The fabrics are mostly dark, medium, and light, so they give that little look through the quilt. But we're making this for the Quilt of Valor. We have this, and one more is our final Quilt of Valor block. And then I'll show you how to put that quilt together. The cutting instructions, we only have one patch. Patch A is a 2" by 6" finished rectangle. You cut 2½ inches by 6½ inches, and you can cut these off of your jelly roll strips or anything. You can cut them out of any scraps you have. We'll need 4 patches of each of the 3 fabrics, the dark, medium, and a light. And down here, over here I have a quilt that has finishes 60 by 84. There are 35 blocks that are set 5 across and 7 down. And here are the fabric requirements for that size quilt. Tells you how many strips. If you have jelly roll strips, you'll cut your 2½ strips. If you have yardage, you'll probably get better efficient use of your fabric if you cut 6½ wide strips. And both of those fabric requirements are here. Now here are the fabrics I've chosen, the red, white, and blue, and there's 4 of each of these. We're simply going to put these together, red or dark, medium, and light. Sew these together, press the seams open, you'll make 4 of these. Then we'll put the block together. Here are our rail fence units, and we'll just put them together to form a pinwheel. Sew these 2 together and these 2 together, press them, then sew the 2 rows together, and your block is finished. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified when new videos are released.